Hi, my name is Ernest, and in this video tutorial, I'm quickly going to show you how to use Ajax Search Pro with the Divi Blog Extras module. So what we're going to do here is, of course, install Ajax Search Pro and Divi Blog Extras, and also use the Divi theme because they work together. The Divi Blog Extras module is basically, or plugin basically adds a little bit more features to the default blog module, and some of you have requested to make it like compatible with each other, which is now possible, of course. And thankfully, I didn't forget to enable the mouse highlighter right now, so you should be able to, track my mouse movements a lot better. Okay, so first off, let's go to Ajax Search Pro and let's create a new search bar. This is a completely fresh installation with some demo data. I made some improvements on that as well. So let's just make a search form named search, and by clicking on the gear icon, you access the settings. What I'm going to make just one tiny change. I'm not going to enable searching pages, so I'm just gonna deselect it right there and save all tabs. That's all. And now we go to pages here, and I managed to delete everything. So let's go and make a new page. I'm going to call this Divi Blog Extras, and of course we're going to use the Divi builder for it. It's going to take a second to boot up, and let's go. I'm going to start building. I'm going to just use one row setup, nothing fancy. And first off, let's just place the search. For that, we're going to use I think we use the text module has an option to use shortcodes. I should probably make a Divi module for it, maybe in the future. But for now, what we're gonna do is go back to Ajax Search Pro and copy this shortcode right here, and just replace the text. And if all goes well, I think it's gonna render it. Maybe not. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. It don't matter. Let's continue. So I think this is I need the gray one. Yep, the gray. Oh, here we go. It rendered. And click new insert module, and I think that's Divi Blog Extras. Yeah, it's just Divi Blog Extras. Here we go. And I'm just going to use a slightly more compact layout, so it's better. Here we go. I kind of like this better. And also going to enable pagination just for the sake of it. I like numbered ones, but it doesn't matter. Here we go. And and we need one extra thing to to connect the two, which is going to be under the design. No, I mean under the advanced and CSS ID and classes. And here into the CSS class, we're gonna copy paste something. So if you go back to the Ajax Search Pro settings, click on the gear icon again. Here we go. And where is it? Search behavior, search element or archive, show page live results. And so again, search behavior, and this really long one right there, show element or archive. So it's basically everything, and just go down a little bit. And here we go. Here we got this class name. It's always ASPES underscore the search ID, which is 1 in this case. So I'm just gonna copy paste it right here, save changes. And I think I need to publish right there. Here we go, in the corner, just go publish. And where did it go? How can I preview? I never knew. So I'm just gonna go through the dashboard, right? And just go view, here we go. And if all goes well, and I start typing, I don't know, let's type, okay, weird names. It's just randomly generated. Let's go Fuga. Here we go, Fuga. Oh, here we go, something happened. That's good. So definitely some sort of filtering. Okay, let's try something else. Maybe this Ulan. Of course, definitely. There's definitely a change. So that's all to it. And of course, if you add filters or whatnot, maybe I can even show it to you. So let's go back to Ajax Search Pro settings. Let's go front-end search settings, general. I'm just gonna set the filters visible by default. Let's go taxonomy terms and go for post category, and I'm just gonna use all of it. Save, and I think if I go back and refresh, here we go, but without the pagination, here we go. Here we go. If I go, so this one is in category 1. If I deselect it, oh, here we go. It's gone. Really good. See? It's category 2, category 2, category 2, and the ones without the categories, of course, but that can be disabled. So here this is all. All right. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this tutorial helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. Link in the description below, as well as if you don't have an Ajax Search Pro license yet, well, what are you waiting for? Thanks again, and see you in the next one. Bye.